Hey everybody, Evan Bash, Orlando Realtor. I'm here at the Heatherton model in Phillips Grove. This is a Pulte community, brand new, really exciting, very rare to have new construction in the area, and I just wanted to show you the master suite. It's remarkable. So you walk in, sitting area, really nice size, master. Sorry, I'm holding this backwards, so if you're missing something. Beautiful detail, lovely tray ceiling, the lighting above, and then you have a remarkable master bath. Wow. 4 bedroom, almost 5,000 square feet.